So hello again everyone, welcome to this video, and we will talk about operators and expressions in Python in this video. So keep watching till the end of this video. So there are many types of operators in Python. The first type would be the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are the operators we see in general mathematics. Those are plus, the addition operator, the subtraction operator, multiplication operator, the division operator, and there is also floor division operator. I will talk about this. And then there is the modulus operator. I will also talk about this. And then there is exponent operator, which we can use to calculate power of number. So these are the basic mathematical operators, arithmetic operators. Let's check each and every operator in our Python IDLE. So here we are. Let's create a new file. Let's create two different variables and assign some values. Okay, the first one, the addition operator, I've already shown you, which is like this. Okay, print the value of C. We will have the addition result in C, and then we can print the value. Let's run this program. To run this program, we have to save this program first. Click on OK to save. Let's name this ops. Okay, save. Okay, we can see the output over here in the output window. Now it's time for the subtraction operator. So don't worry about this. This is actually how comment works in Python. I will talk about comment later. Now keep that in mind that this line will not work when we compile this program, when we run this program. C equal to B minus A. Sorry, not 1, this is A. So we can see the subtraction result in C. Let's run this program. Okay. Now we can see the result. This program is running, the result is 10. Now let's check the multiplication operator. Let's comment this line and let's do the multiplication. Okay, I've written the multiplication line. Now run this file. So you can see that the multiplication result has been printed in the output window. Now it's time for the division operator. So let's check how division operator works. Let's comment this line. So this line won't work. C equal to A divided by B. Now we will have the result in C and we can print the value of C. Now we are dividing 10 by 20. We can change this value so that we can have some decent result. Like just make it 14 and make this 4. Let's run this program. Now you can see that the fraction result we have in our output window. Now what if we want this value, we want this output as a quotient, not as a complete fraction value? So for that we can divide A by B with the floor division operator. Now comment this line and write A floor division B. Now this will give us a result which will be the quotient when we divide A by B. Let's run this program. You can see that we are having the result as the quotient value when we divide 14 by 4. Now what if we want the remainder value? When we divide A by B, we can have the result of the remainder value. Now let's comment this line and write again C equal to A modulus B. So in here what will happen? A will be divided by B and we will get the remainder value in C and C will be printed. Now let's run this program. Now you can see that the remainder value is 2 now. So let's comment this line, and now let's check the exponent operator, which was like this: A exponent B. Now what will happen? A will be powered by B and we will have the value inside C. So let's change this value so that we can have our some known result. Now if we want the result of 2 to the power 5, we can write 2 over here and let's make it 5. Now what will happen? A will be raised to the power of B. Run module. Okay, you can see we are having the result of 2 to the power 5. Now there are shorthand versions of these operators. So what do I mean by shorthand versions? Just look at this example. Now what if we have the value 2 inside the variable A? Okay, now we want to increase the value of A by 10. So we can write like this: A equal to A plus 10. Or by simply we can write it as A plus equal to 10. Now it will add 10 with A and it will store the value inside A. So the value of A will be incremented by 10. Now print. Now let's print the value of A. Run module. Okay. So you can see that the value of A was incremented by 10. Now these shorthand operators can be used with all these binary operators. By binary operators, I mean the operators which have two operands. Now this plus operator, you can see now A and B are two operands over here. In case of subtraction, B and A are two operands. So all these operators are binary operators because they are operating with two operands. This shorthand version can work with all the binary operators. Like if we write A minus equal to 4. Now what will happen? A will be decremented by 4. The result will be minus 2. Run module. You can see the result is minus 2. A was decremented by 4. A into equal to 3. A will be multiplied by 3. Run module. Okay. A was multiplied by 3. A division equal to 4. Now let's comment this one. A was divided by 4 and the result was saved in A. So you can see all the basic arithmetic operators can have this shorthand version of its own. So this was all about basic arithmetic operators. There are plenty numbers of other operators also. We will talk about those operators eventually in my later videos. Till then, keep watching and follow the series, and if you have any question, please comment down below and I will answer those questions.